Welcome back to the Strat Automation technical channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a troubleshooting step that is useful when your controller is not responding. You're not able to pull it into your backnet network and it just seems like it's locked up. This is going to be how to put that controller into a DLM state or clearing out the firmware, putting it in a mode where you can push a fresh firmware to it, kind of a blank slate. So this happens. Controllers can get this way if there has been a failed firmware upgrade. So if it fails in the middle of a firmware upgrade, but generally, sometimes things happen and the controller gets locked up. So I'm going to go over all these steps detailed here. So let's jump on over to the controller. Okay, so here I've got my B848. So this also works on your BP848 as well as your BZ424 and BZ122. So I have it currently powered on, but I have disconnected my MSTP network. So I'm just looking at the standalone controller here. So for this reset on this function row here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in here and flip switch 6 up. Then I'm going to remove the power. Give it a second. Reapply the power. Wait for it to come back up here. And then I'm also going to take my network cable here and plug directly in. If you are using the puck, you can just wire your MSTP network directly into the MSTP network here, but we recommend having this disconnected from the rest of the controllers on your network when you do this. So then we'll head back over to the software side here. Okay, now we're back in SLC. I have a fresh project file here. I'm going to go ahead, log in with password lowercase s to setup mode. I'm going to connect to my controller that I'm directly plugged into here. Okay, the green check mark means that I'm connected, so it found my controller. I'll go ahead and discover it. It's going to come in here as device_6_DLM with address 6. That just is referring to the MAC address of the controller. So to push a fresh firmware to this device, I'm going to right click on it, hit firmware update, go to browse files. So bring up my firmware library. This specific controller is a B848, so I'm going to go ahead and navigate to that firmware. Open, and I'll click download. And while it's writing flash here, I'm going to go ahead and take my screwdriver and lower dip switch 6 on the function row. You just have to make sure you do this before the controller has a chance to finish. Okay, now that my download is finished, I'll click OK and close this. Now you'll see up here in the top left, it's going to come in italicized with red lettering. I just delete this guy. Yes. Pull it in again, it should come in as a B848 recognized as a first-party device. But that's going to be all for this video. Feel free to check out some of our other videos for configurations and other SLC stuff. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.